Struggling with teaching math? Try the Concrete Pictorial Abstract Approach, or the CPA approach. Many students find it difficult to understand some of their math lessons because they can't visualize them. So, to be able to solve this, we need to start our lessons using concrete materials. These are materials that they can touch and manipulate. In this example, we are teaching the students how to add. We are teaching them the concept of addition. So we are adding 2 and 3. So using the green blocks, the 2 green blocks, we are now putting that together with the 3 red blocks. Using materials that they can manipulate, it becomes clear to them that addition is about putting sets together. Now, once they understand that, we can now use pictures to represent the addition process. So here we're using bars. So the bar, the shorter bar, which is labeled 2, is put together with the longer bar that's labeled 3. And to get the total, we are actually putting the 2 sets together. After a few exercises using concrete materials and pictures, now they're ready to add using just the numbers, the abstract form. So that is the concrete pictorial abstract approach. With this approach, those students who are struggling with math will be able to understand what math is all about because now math isn't that abstract for them. Now they can see and visualize what the math lessons are all about. For more math tips like this, follow us on social media.